Sabi ni Peter, this is a morning mist. Oh, kita nyo naman, oh. Ang hirap pag mag-drive, tas ganito, oh. Not clear yung visibility. Ganito, lalo na sa mga malalamig na country. Like before in Norway, like this ba? Ang hirap mag-drive, kaya yung car doon naka-highlight. Kasi ganito ba naman, oh. Naku, wala kang makakita. Now, look at the sunrise. Last time nung nag-walking kami dito, nakakatawa kasi sabi ko morning mist, ganun. Sus, yung pala uulan na. Ay, talaga namang naabutan kami ng ulan. Hindi ko na video yun kasi baka mabasa yung phone ko. Ayan. We're almost at the edge, right, Lavi? At the end daw. Yan pala. Buti, mayroon akong kasamang walking dictionary. O, diba? Laging kinokorek. Oh, learning. Hindi ko naman natural language ang English, diba? Ang alam ko lang talaga Bisaya, Tagalog. Yun. May mga Tagalog pang hindi ako masyado maintindihan. Or Bisaya. Grabe na. Ganito lang, lakad-lakad. See the tower. Ayan, actually guys, iba-ibang mobile network yan. Kasi dito pwede kang mag-combine. Noon, tinanong ko yung friend ko. May dyan, Cellcom, Digi, Maxis. Unlike sa Pilipinas o sa ibang lugar na, yung isang tower, isang lang talaga, mobile network. Ito hindi. Ganito sila. Pwedeng maglagay dyan ng iba-ibang mobile network. Ganito sa Malaysia. Sila, mababait na tao dito guys. Kaya ito na yung consider ko na second home dito sa Malaysia. Wala akong naranasan dito ng discrimination, wala. Tingnan nyo, nagpakain sila ng pusa o mga stray cat yan. Diba? Napakain nila, bait nila. Is that a sound ba, falls? Huh? That sound ba? Yeah. So dito yung ito yung pinaka last dito. So from there going here is 3 kilometers, right?
Yeah.
And then going there is 3 kilometers. So a total of 6 kilometers.
Well, let's check my maths fast.
Oh, I didn't on my watch. Never mind. Next time. Come here, Lavi. Wow. Tingnan nyo guys, may gumamela. Red gumamela. There's a red gumamela there. Tingnan nyo naman gano'ng kaganda, diba? You are really going to appreciate the nature. Ito talagang pinakagusto ko pag nag-walking dito is yung air nga na nabi-breathe ko. Siya, ang ganda sa lungs. The air is very nice for the lungs, Labi, right?
Good for you.
Good for you. Any explanation? You talk now.
No, I just hate getting up to come and walk. So once I've started, I'm alright.
Yeah. Mahirap nga naman, lalo na pag ang sarap ng tulog. Sarap, like, may one time noon. We sleep, right, Labi? And then I thought it's going to just continue raining, no?
Yep.
So I sleep and then I said, oh, it's raining. So we sleep. And then suddenly the rain stopped. So what to do? We have to get up and go for walking. And then it's so amazing because we're walking, and then when we're done walking, it rained again, Labi, no?
While we were walking.
Huh?
While we were walking.
Not here. They're in Tanjung Bato. Just imagine, tinapos lang namin yung natapos lang namin yung walking namin, tapos umulan uli. Ay, grabe talaga. Kaya, ang daming, yung bang mga amazing things na nangyayari. Tapos sasabihin, Lord, thank you, Lord. Tapos sign talaga yun na talagang we have to lose weight kasi syempre, yung nature nga nakikisama. We gain a lot of weight, especially during lockdown. Of course, you cannot go out. And that was the time that we have to cancel our membership in the gym because it's useless. We cannot use our membership. We cannot go to the gym because it's lockdown. So, within that span of time, we gain weight. And of course, we get lazy also because thinking of many things, worries, diba? Those are the reason na we cannot concentrate on what we want to do because of the things that is happening. And with God's help now, everything back to normal. Trials lang yun. Maging matatag lang talaga tayo sa mga trials. Kahit nga ang ulan, diba? After storm, there's always a sunshine. Laban lang sa buhay. Maging matatag. Wow. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. Dami talagang flower dito. Ayun po, may prutas pa dun. Grabe. Look. In the middle of this bushes, makakakita ka ng magagandang bulaklak. Ay, grabe. Wow, wow, ang ganda. It's rainy season already, Labi. That's why flowers are blooming. And even in the house also, there's a plant there. When it start coming out, then I know it's rainy season. Yan si Peter, diba? Laban lang. Papayat din tayo. Dito lang, syempre, kain dito, kain doon. Kaya yun din, isa sa nakakapag-gain weight sa amin. Pero okay lang. Yung chance talaga namin, pag uwi namin sa isla, syempre, mga seafood na lang dun. At kailangan, control na din yung kain. Tapos, pa din kami yung magtatanim. Kasi may lupa dun yung nanay ko, yung tatay ko. So, hopefully, ma-develop namin, mataniman. Daming plano sa buhay. Pag nagplano tayo, kailangan laki pa natin ang paniniwala, faith. Tapos ask tayo kay Lord na guidean tayo niya na matupad yung mga pangarap natin. Kasi kung sarili lang nating kakayanan, hindi magiging successful ang ating pangarap. Kasi lahat ng nangyayari, yung mga biyayang pinagkalob sa atin, galing yung kay Lord. Kaya kailangan mag-ask tayo na Lord, give us the blessing na we deserve, guide us what we must do in life. Ganun. Kailangan nating talaga nasa top priority natin si God para mag-guidean tayo. Of course, we have our own ability. Pero hindi natin naisipin na, oh, kaya ko to, kaya ganyan. Hindi. Dapat, kaya ko to dahil sa tulong ni God, ganun. Para mas madali at saka talagang magiging successful tayo. Ganun lang naman ang buhay. Tapos, kailangan, hindi din tayo masyadong lagi na lang nadidepress. If we do things and it fail, and it's okay lah. It's a lesson to learn. Then, do another trial until maging successful, diba? Oh, beautiful flower here. Ganun lang naman ang buhay. Kung ako nga, dami kong failure. Tapos noon, sabi ko, wala, ganito lang talaga. Parang pinaparusahan naman ako. Tapos inisip ko, bakit yung mga tao, daming kasalanan, tapos naging mga successful sila, daming pera, ganun. Tapos inisip ko, bakit ako ganito, ganun. Do not, yun yung mistake ko, hindi pala yun dapat. Kailangan pala isipin mo na hindi mo, you don't have to question bad situation. You just ask God na, God, please ayusin mo po yung buhay ko kasi hindi ko na po kaya. Ganun. Doon ko talaga na learn na sabi ko, kasi noon hindi ako pray. Tapos time, hindi din ako pumunta sa simbahan. And later on, yun nga, I realized na kung sa atin naman yung 6 days a week, magbigay naman tayo ng at least, no? At least yung Sunday naman, we give it to God. Kasi huwag naman tayong greedy na the 7 days atin na lang talaga. Set days na para kay God. Yun na. Ganda ng paligid dito. Fresh na fresh. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day everyone and God bless. Bye!